Adding a status to WhatsApp is a cool way to show other people what you're up to right now, share photos and videos. But did you know you can also add music onto that WhatsApp status? I'm going to show you 2 different ways to be able to do that, no matter what song you want to add. The first thing we're going to do is open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on Updates at the bottom left, and you can see Add Status. Tap on the little plus next to Add Status, and first just navigate to a photo or a video. Let's say this video I want to add. Now, after I've added that video, you should be able to see next to the crop symbol is a music icon. If you tap on that music icon, it pops up with lots of popular songs, and you can add these directly in the WhatsApp app. So let's say I wanted to add this song by Justin Bieber. Just tap on the share button, and now I can swipe over to essentially choose which 13 seconds, or sometimes it's 15 seconds. You can choose which portion of the song that you want. Unfortunately, if you press and hold and try to scrub over, you're not able to make that length of the song longer or shorter. For whatever reason, it's just built in. But if you did want to do that, I'll show you a second option. Now, when you're ready, tap the Done button at the top right, and just like that, you've added that song overlaid on the photo or video status. And just tap on Share at the bottom right to share that as your status. Now, instead of that, if you're not able to find the song that you wanted to add, or you wanted to make it shorter or longer, all you're going to do is go to the App Store here, tap on Search at the bottom right, and then search for CapCut. Tap on CapCut here and download and install the CapCut app onto your iPhone. Keep in mind, you can also use iMovie or InShot. There's a bunch of different video editing options. All you're going to do is download and install one of these apps, and then bring in that photo or video, and then add your own music into there. And of course, you can control whether it is a long song or short one, just a clip, whatever you want, and then just upload that into your WhatsApp status. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. And thanks for watching.